Assalamu Alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're fine, good, cool, and having chill. If you guys are new here, so please subscribe to the channel right now for getting my more tutorials and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can easily follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. And for purchasing these kind of shemagh and any kind of turban, you guys can contact to my own brand Adil. The WhatsApp number and Telegram number is in the description. We deliver in all over the world. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie a beautiful style of turban using shemagh. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you 3 styles of turbans that you guys can tie with using any kind of shemagh. So let's see how can you tie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, so give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below, because I'm just waiting for your comments. And Allah Hafiz till my next videos.